Earlier this year, Audi announced that it would cease development of all new internal combustion engines as it transitions to all-electric powertrains by 2033. Yet, in defiant anticipation of that silent goalpost, the brand's engineers endeavored to equip the redesigned 2022 Audi RS3 with the loudest, most powerful version of the company's turbocharged inline-five engine. With 401 horsepower available, 1 pony more than before, the RS3's boosted 5-pot pulls hard to its 7,000 RPM redline with fervent glee. To say that it has character is an understatement, delightfully vocal and charismatic. This is an engine that can seem uncannily human across its rev range. Which makes sense, as its odd-cylinder warble is a sound that any human could impersonate. A new active exhaust delivers even more of that oral drama through the tailpipes. Normally we eschew engine sound augmentation through stereo speakers, but it only adds to the excitement in the RS3. Windows up or down, this Audi will have you searching out tunnels on your daily commute. Torque is up as well, now peaking at 369 pound-feet versus the outgoing model's 354. That twist is routed through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission featuring several shift programs, including launch control. Audi estimates the sprint to 60 miles per hour will take 3.8 seconds. But that's surely a conservative figure, as the last RS3 we tested, a 2017 model, posted a 3.5-second run to 60 miles per hour. Driving the new car, we found its transmission to be eager to drop down a gear with just a touch of the accelerator, but it's not as prescient under heavy braking into corners, sometimes requiring a tug on the steering wheel-mounted shift paddles to kick it down a ratio. For even greater control, it's easy to change the gearbox's demeanor through the various drive modes, which also alter the engine's responsiveness, the weight and feel of the steering, and the firmness of the adaptive dampers. We bypassed the efficiency and comfort settings, finding Auto to be nicely adept at adjusting the parameters based on our driving habits. Dynamic mode heightens all the car's senses and holds gears at redline in manual mode. Most intriguing was the customizable RS performance mode, which for the first time in the RS3 allows the amount of torque sent to the rear wheels to be adjusted. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system is almost too effective in most cases, wrangling the engine's might in a deliberate, almost clinical fashion. But the RS3's all-wheel drive system is designed to be a frisky complement to its engine's sonorous antics. The system employs 2 independent clutch packs that can route 100% of the torque sent to the rear axle to either rear wheel, helping the car rotate around corners.